Hi there! In this video, we're taking a look at Danish unrounded vowels. A vowel is a sound which you can sing. I, e. They're called unrounded because you don't round your lips when you say them. There are 4 unrounded vowels in Danish. I, e, e. Unrounded vowels, just like rounded vowels, can be short or long. I, smile, lille. E, ene, hedder. Æble, tælle. When pronounced as an it can only be short. Ananas. When pronounced as an it can be both short or long. Arbejde, tak. Right then, pronunciation. I may look like the English in bit or little, and let me guess, you've said it that way at least once. The Danish sound is much softer and flatter. Little, lille. What makes it flatter is the way you position your tongue. In English, your tongue mostly lies at the bottom of your mouth when you say I. In Danish, you want to bring the middle of your tongue to the roof of your mouth. I. If you try to cheat and say the English I as in see, it may work, but again, it's not quite the same sound. I think the English I is a bit more open, and in Danish we want a flatter sound. I, is, ild, kamin, igen, vise, tid, evighed. I may look like the English I and may sound like the English in bit, but not quite. In this case, it sounds more like the French in lisse, narrow and collected. Ene, del, mening, en, et, ved, men. This vowel has a more open version, closer to in words such as hest, seng, ven. When unstressed, it is pronounced as a schwa. Gammel, billede. Is a kind of mix of and I. Open your mouth the way you would if you were saying the second I, and say I, kærlighed, værelse, meleri. Is similar to how can is pronounced in American English. Kan, bal, klassen, land, dansk. And it is also pronounced the way can is pronounced in British English, with an a. Arm, gang, mange, navn, fra. That's all for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like. Subscribe if you haven't already. Bye for now.